Hello traders, welcome back to Trading Life Masters. This is Zicheng here once again, one of the lecturers in Trading.life. In this video, I will be explaining one of the ICT concepts, which is discount and premium. I know ICT has been trending around and it is tough to understand, but don't worry, I'll try my best to make it simple and easy to understand. Before we start, I hope you can first press the like button, share it with your friends, and lastly, subscribe. Thank you so much, and let's start. Before we jump on to how to apply discount and premium into the charts, we first have to understand the basic theory of what is discount and premium. So let's start with discount first. The example of discount is just like, for example, you head to the supermarket, you notice they have a big billboard of like saying 50% discount, 30%, 40% during some sales time, for example, Christmas. So this is an example of discount. You get to buy an item at a lower price. So what about premium? Let me ask you an example. For example, you have these shares, you have this stock share, the stock market. You only want to sell it when the price is high because that is going to give you extra profit. So this is the meaning of premium, selling at a higher price. So now I hope you have understand the basic theory of discount and premium. So how do we identify or how do we use discount and premium in the charts? Before I teach you how to apply it, first, what is the tool that you need to use for discount and premium? It is the Fibonacci. So let me show you. If you apply Fibonacci, you are going to see something like this. Different levels with different colors. But when it comes to discount and premium, you just need few levels. So how are you going to modify the Fibonacci for discount and premium? Let me teach you. Firstly, you double click on it and it shows you the settings where you can modify it. For discount and premium, I only need to use the 0 level, 0.5 and the 1 level. So I'm going to untick this and this. So this is what you are going to see. So how are we going to use this? Between the 0 and 0.5, we call it the discount. Whereas from the 0.5 to the top level, but this is slightly opposite, so let me draw it again. So it will look like this. Between the 0 and the 0.5, we call it the discount, and above we call it the premium, which is from the 0.5 to 1. So the bottom, we call it the bottom 50%, and above the 0.5, we call the top 50%. So remember what I explained about the discount and premium in the earlier section of the video about the basics concept. So it's the same when it comes to trading Forex. When we look for buys, we buy in the discount area. When we look to sell or when we want to short, we short in the premium area. So how do we apply this on a chart? So this is a Euro USD 1 minute. And if you believe that it will continue to move to the upside, now we do not buy when it's at a high point because it's going to give us a very large stop loss. So if you have a buy bias or if you believe that it will go up, what you can do is you can draw a discount and premium from the low to the high. Once you have drawn it, you'll get to notice the discount area and the premium area. So what you want to do, if you have a buy bias, you want to wait for price to come down in the discount area so you can look for buys. Of course, this doesn't mean that when price come to discount, you must take a buy. You need to align with other confirmations. For example, if you have a resistance here that has turned into a support, you can look for buys. So discount and premium acts like an extra confirmation for your trades. What about a short bias? So let's say you are downtrend for the Euro USD 1 minute. We can draw from this high to this low. And look what happened. Price came up into the premium area, and if you combine with some confirmations, for example, you have a resistance here and you look for buys once you have some confirmations from this side over here, for example some bearish engulfing or a triple top pattern here, you would have looked for sells around this area, place your stop loss right above and have the next target, which is this bottom here, and you have been profit about running over here. So this is how you use discount and premium. It acts like an extra confirmation to make sure you buy at a discount and you sell at a premium. That's it for this video. I hope you have now fully understand what discount and premium is about. But if you still have any questions, do not hesitate to comment down below and I'll try to answer them. Also, I have daily live streams in trading.live, so if you're interested to join, feel free to hop on to trading.live and join me there. Thanks for watching till the end. See you the next time and trade safe.